Okay, question 3. A distress call has been received by a plane and the rescue helicopter needs to locate its position immediately. The call is received at Norwich, which means it is within 250 kilometres from the airport there. Birmingham Airport has also received the radio message, so it is within 100 kilometres of this airport too. Shade the possible search area. So once again, we've loaded up another blank map that we're using. And we've got to now start using the scale which is on our map. We're asked and given very specific distances. Now, as my screen at the moment doesn't show the scale, we're going to click on this move button here at the top. It says move graphics view, and then I just left hand click and I can move my page around so I can see the scale at the bottom. And what I've done is I've placed nodes on each of the key measurement points so that we can measure those distances. So let's just look back at our question for a moment. It says that a call is received at Norwich, which means it is within 250 kilometres from the airport there. So let's deal with that first part, 250 kilometres from Norwich. So that is a loci of a circle. So let's again use our circle tool. We're going to use a circle with a compass, and if you remember how we used this in question 2, we first show the radius. So from 0 to 250, that's the size of our circle. We now choose where we're going to place the centre at Norwich. So that is the distance of the radio signal strength that Norwich can pick up. We now need to consider, what about Birmingham's? Well, Birmingham Airport has a range of 100 kilometres. And so we're going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to use, now if that ever happens, if you move your picture accidentally, Control Z just pushes it back again. I'm going to use the compass tool once again. Compass, select my radius. Well, that's got to be 100 kilometres. So here we go, select 0, 100, and the centre is Birmingham. There we go. So I've now got my two circles, and it must be, the search area must be where both of those circles overlap. Now, it's not that easy to shade using Geogebra. I want to suggest you do, if you come to the ABC button here, you have what's called a pen tool. And that allows us to kind of scribe and draw on here, and just, without necessarily being too neat, don't worry about it too much, just indicate the area which the two circles intersect. And therefore the Mayday call must have gone out somewhere in that area. And that is question 3.